Well, good morning, friends. My name is Chetan Gaikar from Mechanical Department. We are going to study the practicals on basic communication using computers. Okay, first practical today we are going to study the draft a complaint letter on the given topic. Last time we studied the how to summarize the industry reports, then how to draft the how to write the business draft. So in this practical, you are going to draft a complaint letter on the given topic. Means what? You must be able to write a letter of complaint, and you must be able to write it on a computer itself, on the Word file. So you must be able to write the. Okay. Now, an engineering professional needs formal writing skills to work effectively as an individual, a team member, or a team leader. It helps him or her to convey the ideas, suggestions, and complaints correctly and precisely, maintaining the business protocols. A well drafted complaint letter plays a crucial role in expressing dissatisfaction about the raw material, product, or service to be met with positive responses and improvements. The learning experience of drafting a complaint letter has been designed to enhance the skills to communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace. So, what are the relevant course program outcomes? Basic knowledge, individual and teamwork, and communication. Relevant course outcomes: communicate effectively by avoiding barriers in various formal and informal situations. Next is compose email and formal business letters. So this is a sample complaint letter from Darshan Shinde to the manager of Draj Publication, Pune, from Nasik to Pune. Subject was complaint for damage book received. Complaint for damage book received. So what he is writing basically, respected sir, we received our order of the books according to list. When the packages were opened, we found that 10 books is damaged. This seems to have been happened in book due to poor quality packing. We request you to kindly have these damaged book replaced with new ones at the earliest and also arrange for damaged books to be taken back at your cost. We are sure that you will attend our complaint within a week so that no further inconvenience will be there. Yours with Darshan Shinde. So this is the basically the complaint letter which is being given by the student to the publication Raj Publications Shivaji Nagar Pune. So write down this application. Okay. So this was the, you must be able to write this application, draft a complaint letter. You can write any complaint letter in this format. Now next practical is the design PowerPoint presentation on any technical topic. So means what, this is an activity which you have to do by the students. So you have to draft, means you have to design a PPT. PPT means what, PowerPoint presentation. So you must be able to do the PowerPoint presentation on any given technical topic. You can take any technique, for example, mechanical members, you can take on the topics of engine, air conditioning, refrigeration, all these things. Electrical will take the topics on power plants and all that. Electronics will do the on remote controls, and different PLC programming, everything's. Then EJ will take on the communication mobile phones, and CM and IT will take the topic on the various softwares, hardwares, or applications. You must be able to write do the PowerPoint presentation. The presentation skills play a crucial role in one's career development. An engineering professional has to deliver presentation for the various reasons throughout his career at different formal situations using information and technology. PowerPoint allows presenter to use images, audios and video to have a greater visual impact. These visual and audio cues also help a presenter to be more flexible, dynamic and interactive with audience focus. The practical experience has been designed to enhance the skill to communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace. So this was the practical number 10, which is to be done by this is the assignment which is given to done by the students itself.